with Team Diamond Action. We're in the back of a truck. Explain now. I ain't got no gun. No one with your gun.
Okay, I'll just use the knife instead.
They ain't got no knife. I took it. Dropped your ass, then I took it.
Oh, dang it. Okay. Well, we're in the back of the truck. Team Diamond Action.
We're in the back of a truck and we got dirty. We got dirty.
We got dirty. Ah! We got dirty. We got dirty. We got dirty. Quit. Okay, we got dirty. We got dirty. And then so we're in the back of a truck and we just went fishing. You're not gonna. That was him.
That was not me. Gavin, you know, you told me yesterday you hate the fans. I love you guys. You guys are the whole reason I do this, so, like... I know you guys are clapping for me, but stop. I did it for you. I did it for you, okay?
Okay. I give up.
I was like, that's how you do it.
Okay, so we went fishing and we got them fish.
Fishy.
Fishy. Sponsored by McDonald's.
We are not sponsored by McDonald's.
What do you mean?
That's my joke. You suck at it.
Okay, and also check this out. Look. Convict. Wow.
iPad and glasses.
Good for you.
Say you're sorry. Say you're sorry.
I can't talk whatever
Say
you're
you're sorry.
Bang!
Yes.
Also,
we can rap. Yeah, Gavin, drop a beat,